weekend marks the 4th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina's devastation of the Gulf Coast. We are one nation, one people, bound not only by grief, but by a set of common ideals. And that by giving back to our communities, by serving people, on this 10th anniversary, we still face great challenges as a nation. This weekend, we're coming together as one nation to mark the 10th anniversary of the September 11th attacks. We'll begin to mark the 50th anniversary of the Vietnam War. This week, we mark the 11th anniversary of the September 11th attacks. And on this anniversary of a day we will never forget, that's the example we should continue to follow. It marks a historic anniversary, 70 years since the Allied victory in Europe during World War II. After all, I stand here today as president and as an African American on the 55th anniversary of the day that the Supreme Court handed down the decision in Brown versus Board of Education. Now, this legislation, approved by an overwhelming bipartisan majority in the House of Representatives and passed unanimously in the Senate, will create a commission to honor President Reagan on the 100th anniversary of his birth.
Celebrated on the 23rd of May, 60-year anniversary of the Federal Republic of Germany, and we're more than aware of the fact that Germany would not stand as it stands today had not our American friends and partners helped us after the end of the Second World War. But
you know, this week celebrates the anniversary of Medicare. And when you look at the Medicare debate, it is almost exactly the same as the debate we're having right now. We recently observed the 8th anniversary of that terrible day when terrorists brought so much death and destruction to our shores. So after that march, on the anniversary of the Stonewall protests, amidst the violence and the vitriol of a difficult time for our nation, Jean and her husband Jules, two parents who loved their son deeply, formed a group to support other parents and in turn to support their children as well.
We've just celebrated our 50th anniversary.
Last month we marked the 8th anniversary of the attacks on 9/11. And this anniversary is a reminder that human destiny will be what we make of it. In the extraordinary honor of the meeting with their Imperial Majesties, the Emperor and Empress, on the 20th anniversary of his ascension to the chrysanthemum throne,